What it be, what it do, it's your boy Jay Snacks here, back at it again with another legitimate weather review. Today I'm here with my boys Cold Front, Warm Front, and Stationary Front. Let me introduce them to you. Let's peep this out. Alright, so first up is my boy, the Cold Front. It's a colder air mass that can usually overpower warm ones. It moves usually southeast, east-southeast, give or take. And it has a chance of bringing tornadoes and severe weather when the pressure is low enough. And normally behind those storms follows a dry line. And the cold front also makes things muy frio. And I like that cold weather, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this 4.5 EF5s out of 5. Next up is my boy, the warm front, and it can also overpower cold air masses just like cold air masses can overpower the warm ones. And they usually move the opposite direction of cold fronts, but they make things muy caliente. But your boy Jay Snacks don't like warm weather too much, so I'm gonna only give this 3 heat strokes out of 5. Up next is my boy, the stationary front, and like his name says, he doesn't like to move around too much. He likes to stay pretty still, but what he does like to do is create severe weather. He likes to make severe thunderstorms and hailstorms and tornadoes, all that good stuff. But he likes to even out the pressure that's behind that front. But he can still be overpowered by more powerful cold and warm fronts, even though it's a combination of both of them. And because I like that stationary front so much, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it 5 BOFAs out of 5. Those are all my boys, the cold front, the warm front, and the stationary front. Hope y'all learned something today. Thank you for watching this legitimate weather review. Shout out to my science teacher, Ms. Cohen. Thank y'all for watching. And now, a word from my sponsor.
We're no strangers.